Hindi rin namin naintindihan. Ano ba yun?
Protesta kayo dun Punta ka na dun. Protesta ka na.
Madaya talaga. Hindi, madaya ang Colombia talaga. Madaya kasi, ako
Oo, nanalo naman last year. Ngayon na naman, siya na naman.
Oo,
May
madaya.
interpreter pa.
Madaya talaga. Madaya talaga.
Hala, baka bawian ka.
Wait lang.
Ay,
Wait, bukasan mo. Yung isa.
Is Colombia. Miss Universe 2015
Ba't ganon?
is Philippines.
Oh my God!
Oo, mali. Kasi first. Oo, baka yung nasa... Hindi niya nasabi yung first runner-up.
Pero, buti hindi nag-collapse ng Colombia.
Ayan!
Yan yun.
Yun dyan! Dapat ito.
Wait lang, ma. Wait lang. Hala. First time nangyari yan.
That's Miss Universe.
Nagulat din siya.
Buti hindi nag-collapse ng Colombia.
yes. Kapahiya na yan.
Yung yung dyan.
Yung announcer.
Yung dyan.
Ito hindi yung announcer.
Na-announcer.
Wait lang.
Mistake, sabi niya.
Ay, apology ka na.
Oo, may apology.
Wait lang.
Ayun o.
OMG.
Kaya abuse pa naman ang Colombia.
Parang ayaw pa nung ano.
Wait lang.
Let me just take control of this. This is exactly what's on the card.
Oh, di pakita mo.
I will take responsibility for this. It was my mistake. It was on the card. Horrible mistake, but the right thing, I can show it to you right here. The first
Wait
runner
lang.
is Colombia. It is my mistake. Still a great night. Please don't hold it against the ladies. Please don't. We feel so badly, but it's still a great night. Thank
Miss
you all.
Universe.
Hoy, ilipat nyo na yung corona kay Pia.
Naku, umalis ka siya. Umalis na talaga siya.